Finally, it's how do you manage and move these emotions? They're always like shifting around. For today, I don't need you to come with this unbounded high energy, everything's great, joyous happiness feelings. What would most help to maximize your engagement is to have that slightly lower energy but pleasant. You'll be more reflective. You listen, you consider, that's interesting. I want to think about it. Now, if you're in that upper right, high energy, pleasant quadrant, you might be brainstorming ideas, but you might be less kind of present in a way. I know some people have expressed right now they might be in that more frustrated quadrant. I will work hard to maximize your engagement, but I need you to work with me as well. What can you do to put aside that for now, not to suppress it, but put it aside for the moment, and let's be engaged. Otherwise, we're wasting your time and everybody's time. So engagement takes me and takes you. If this 90-minute session is of any value to you, it's because we've all worked together on it. So thank you for that.